It's a 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLE. Whether you've reached the top or are on your way there, this is the premium sport utility vehicle for you. It doesn't just seat 5, it coddles them with hand-fitted upholstery. It doesn't just have over 80 cubic feet of cargo space, it has a power liftgate. It doesn't just have safety features like LED daytime running lamps, it has attention assist, crosswind assist, and trailer stability assist. With dynamic select, agility control suspension, and the 7G automatic transmission with shift paddles helping you enjoy the drive, the power sunroof is just the icing on the cake. Embrace turns your smartphone into a remote control for your GLE, and the 8-inch high-resolution color touchscreen turns your car into an extension of your smartphone. Step into your future. Test drive this GLE today.
At Mercedes-Benz of Coral Gables, we look forward to your visit and deliver excellence at every mile.